Hello mga kabig boss. Ito na naman po tayo muli. Ating balikan ang larong Game 3 ng LA Lakers at Miami Heat. At bago po ang lahat ng yan, at kung kayo po ay bago sa aking channel, maaari lang po ay paki-subscribe na lang po, paki-suportahan at paki-like and share na rin po The Big Boss Channel. Thank you so much. God bless. Ito, umpisahan na po natin ng tingin ng nakaraang laban nila. So, watch out. So, ito mga idol, mga kabig boss. Pag-uusapan po natin ngayon yung nakaraang laban ng Miami Heat at Lakers. At kaabang-abang din yung pag-walkout ni LeBron James sa court habang hindi pa tapos ang nalalabing minuto ng laro. So, bakit nga ba nag-walkout si LeBron James? At aking panalo ng Miami Heat ngayon. At marami ang nagsasabi na masisweep nga ang Miami Heat ng 4-0 ngayon. Ngunit sa Game 3 ay nagawang manalo ng Miami Heat. So ayan, abangan po natin. So ito preview lang po ito ng laro nila, laban ng Miami Heat at sa Lakers ng Game 3. So ito mga kabig boss, manood po tayo.
Each other over right on the screen for the jumper. Danny Green with a tremendous back screen on Howard, and then the lob. That's not the first time they've run that this year.
They ran it all year, Coach. This is Game 3 of the NBA Finals. That can't happen if you're Miami trying to climb your way back into this.
Finds Hero. Hero off the bounce, deflected and stolen. There's LeBron James going down the lane, draws a foul, count it. 33 points, 9 assists, 9 rebounds. This is the free throw, and the Lakers with the early lead. Jimmy Butler drives the ball handler. Good job by Crowder fronting the post against Davis. Danny Green cross court. Caldwell Pope pass deflected by Butler, but right to the hands of Davis. Shot clock winding down. James on the drive. Hop step floats it up. Bank shot it. That was good activity by Miami defensively. Leonard, three-pointer. Leonard's got good three. Duncan Robinson gets it back. Crowder, good open look. That's good. In the air.
Itong Game 3 na to ay talaga namang swerte yung Miami, kaya
Davis in the low post.
wala rin tayong ganong masabi sa kanilang pagkapanalo dahil pinaghirapan din nila ito. Ayaw din nilang mapahiya dahil nga naging 2-0 na yung stats nun. So ito talaga namang kayod kalabaw si Butler. So napakagaling talaga naman ni Butler.
Markieff, the older brother, 7 minutes older than his twin Marcus.
At isa pang record niya na natapatan niya yung si LeBron James sa isang record na tatatlo lang sila ang nakakuha. Yan nga, pangatlo nga si Jimmy Butler na yan. Itong laro na ito. So, yung gabi na ito ay para kay Butler. At yung mga laro dito ni Butler ay talagang puro sa loob. Yung miss-score siya, puro sa loob, wala man lang sa labas.
Pointed to tie the game. Greg Lobo said both the coaches and players, they talked about what happened in the Western Conference Finals. They're up 2-0 against Denver, and he said they felt in Game 3 they played a relaxed game. Didn't have that same intensity. Nice speed inside. None. Kuzma drives, blocking foul, count it. And that's a huge contribution from the bench. That three-pointer misses by Morris. Crowder grabs the board. 3 minutes gone by. Nice feed inside. Lakers just by 1. 3.5.
Ganda ng mga pasahan nila.
Here in Game 3. Alley-oop to Davis. Rajon Rondo.
Pass, great read, awful defense.
Yeah, again, that's something that Rondo and Davis have connected.
Last game in all-time playoff assists. So you have Rondo and LeBron James, two guys in the top 6. And then there was a 45-point turnaround. Crowder backs on it.
Pero bago din naman yung pagkatapos mangyari na nag-walk out si LeBron James ay humingi din siya ng paumanin sa kanyang mga fans. Na dahil na pressure na rin siya at dala ng tension na nangyari dahil nga siguro talagang gustong-gusto niya manalo itong game 3 na to, ngunit sa kasamaang palad dahil natalo sila.
And your answer would be, sir?
I'm not, I don't want to say what my real answer would be.
You still biting your lip?
Biting my tongue, biting my lip, I'm biting everything.
Yeah, Smith finds Caldwell Pope. His corner 3, side of the backboard. Crowder the rebound. Butler drives and minute and a half left. First half of Game 3. Tyler Hero. Butler's got Caruso on him. Goes right at him and banks it home each half.
Why do they
Buwis buhay din si Jimmy Butler.
Butler on that shot? I don't understand that.
Lumabas yung pagiging halimaw niya sa laro.
James finds some room, fires a 3. And it's back to a 2-point game. Solomon Hill. Oh, and the Heat back up by 5. J.R. Smith tries.
100% registered. And the job that guys have been doing just to be a little bit more educated on the situation and getting people out.
It's been without rhythm.
Leonard. Butler has had the ball in his hands on the offensive end again. Such a high percentage of time. 3-pointer for Tyler Hero. James drives, gets into the lane. Davis to follow, stripped and taken away. Crowder throws it ahead to Tyler Hero. Reverse layup.
Oh, Tyler Hero. Galing.
Well aware of the fact they have not shown up there.
Anthony Davis has only played 15 minutes and he has 4 fouls, but he's in the game now. James to Davis. Davis just to 5 points. Caldwell Pope. Danny Green floats it up. That won't go. Howard the rebound. Back out to Davis. Davis drives on Crowder. His runners up and lead by 8. Just past the midway point here in the third. James backs in and just completely pulls his.
Jimmy Butler goes underneath that high screen and roll. It's tough to get back in front of LeBron James. Pressure's going to be on the other Heat players to shrink the floor when LeBron sees bodies.
James guarding Butler got caught on the Olynyk screen and backs it home.
Coach, one of the adjustments we see that Heat made from Game 2, that pass on LeBron. Tonight, he's showing and then getting back to his initial man.
Butler drives all sweet fake. Well, 31 bench points for the Lakers. 13 for the Heat. Anthony Davis.
So, third quarter, nalalabing minuto. 4 and 26 minutes. 18 seconds. LA Lakers 70 and Miami is 78.
They get it out to Olynyk. Fires it up. And shot.
Markieff Morris just overpowered Iguodala. They gave up a couple of those in Game 2 as well.
But Mike, you talked about Andre Iguodala, I had the privilege of coaching them.
Talagang nagbabad si Jimmy Butler dito. Talagang nakakabilib din yung mga... Ito dapat talaga ang mga binabayarang player. Gustong manalo pero talagang gagawa siya ng paraan. Oh, galing.
Finding ways to create space.
Nalusutan nila yung Lakers. Nasamantalang napakatindi ng Lakers na yan.
Olynyk looking to help. Makes him take a tough four-way shot. Evaded that beautifully. Caruso drives down the lane left-handed. Won't go. Davis on the follow. Final minute, third quarter. Duncan Robinson gets a look. And Morris rips down the rebound.
That's the best look Duncan Robinson has had.
Magtatapos yung third quarter ng score ng Miami ay 83 at samantalang ang LA Lakers ay 75.
45 minutes.
Shot clock is turned off. The Heat do not have a foul.
So ayun po, 9 seconds. Makaka-score pa kaya?
Season opening. Drives down the lane. Running layup.
Oh, talagang magaling si LeBron James.
He'll be finishing quite a bit for us in the fourth.
Thanks so much, Rick. Back to you, Mike.
All right, Rachel. It is heart-pounding time right here in Game 3 of the Finals. James drives, finishes, and it's a point game. Olynyk-
Kayang-kaya score ni LeBron James pag ginusto niya.
Here for the Heat. Olynyk fakes the pass, drives, nice adjustment, and banks it home.
That last possession, one thing that Ben Adebayo does, along with Kelly Olynyk, exceptional at handing off and taking handle.
Nice feed inside. Butler to
Offensive end, he's as important defensively because he's the primary defender defending LeBron James. It gives the Heat a chance.
Exactly. His strength, even though he's smaller, his strength can at least hold up.
James drives, kicks it out. Morris gets a good look, and Morris hit. Draw that person. James. Morris, another corner three. Puts it in. Moore keeps.
Oh,
Corner
tumabla pa pala to.
Rondo the rebound.
9 minutes sa fourth quarter, tumabla ng 89.
Rondo drive to the basket, left-handed.
Nakalamang pa.
Pass, and the Lakers plays.
91-89. Lamang sa Miami.
Guarding Butler, too. 4 to shoot. Butler drives, flips it up, and Jimmy Butler always going to get back in front of LeBron James. Kelly Olynyk set up nicely, nails the three-pointer.
Yun lang.
Special. We're capable of doing it, even without two of their best players. Right now, they've got a 3-point lead against the Lakers with 7 minutes to play. Hero for 3. That's good. Tyler Hero. James resets.
97-91. Napako.
Picks up his dribble. Kuzma tries a three-pointer, knocks it down.
All night long.
The Laker bench, 46 of their 94 points. Pass inside to Olynyk. Oh, what a feed from Butler. Have to play. Butler calling for the ball. Hero with 5 to shoot. Hero drives past Caruso, gets inside. Larry banks it home.
Attention to detail when he's guarding Butler.
James now.
Malupit din pala yung talagang umayaw na si LeBron James. Umayaw na siya. Lakers 104 and Miami Heat is 115. Jimmy Butler 40 points, 11 rebound. At napakagaling nga naman talaga. 13 assists. So ito naman si LeBron James ay may 25 points, 10 rebound and 8 assists sa laro nila ng third game. So hindi naman na para sa akin wala namang masama na doon sa pag walkout ni LeBron James sa loob ng court dahil 36 seconds na lang ata yung natitira. So konting konting oras na lang. Yun nga lang talaga. Siguro syempre para sa paggalang na lang din at tanggapin yung pagkatalo, dapat talaga sa larong basketball ay tatapusin nyo yung ano, yung time, yung oras na nalalabi. So anyway, good luck sa next game nila sa LA versus sa Miami Heat sa Game 4. Titignan natin kung mananalo pa rin ng Miami Heat. Sigurado paghahandaan na sila ng matindi-tindi nila LeBron James, King James tinatawag. So ayan mga ka-Big Boss, hanggang dyan na lang po. At siya nga pala, huwag nyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe sa aking channel, The Big Boss Channel, mag-like at i-share na rin po. Thank you so much mga ka-Big Boss. Hanggang sa susunod na laro at ating aabangan kung sino ang mananalo sa Game 4 ng Miami Heat at nasabing LA Lakers. So ayan, God bless. Kung kayo man po ay may gustong i-comments, just comment below. The Big Boss Channel, JRA, Joel Ramal Agustin Official. Paki-subscribe na rin po at paki-like ng aking video na ito.